Shiba Inu announces intentions to launch decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. When bulls reveal their hand, the Shiba Inu price goes parabolic, and the bulls' quiet accumulation sends the stock price soaring 330%. Shiba Inu news is all the rage right now, but what exactly is happening and how does it impact the breed's value? If you're wondering what the Shiba Inu may do next, then you'll want to see today's video since we'll be addressing all of your questions. You should not miss this movie if you are interested in Shiba Inu or have SHIB tokens since it is filled with useful information. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we go into it, how about we check out the charts for September 6th to see how the Shiba price is doing. Here now, a Shiba Inu will cost you around 1,286 units. With a trading volume of $166 million in 24 hours, the price of SHIB has fallen 3%. At the moment, the token is the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $7.5 billion. Since the price of Bitcoin may affect the value of other currencies, including Shiba Inu, we will also briefly examine it. At the moment, one Bitcoin is worth around $54,000. With a trading volume of $38 billion USD in only 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin has fallen 4%. The market capitalization of Bitcoin is presently more than $1 trillion. The fear and greed indicator is the second item we'll be looking at today. It's a really valuable indicator. For Bitcoin, it is presently 55, which is considered greedy. In most cases, this indicates that you should wait for the market to make a move before longing or shorting Bitcoin. Do not delay any longer. The time has come to discuss current events. So, to get things off, the Shiba Inu has announced its intention to launch its very own DAO. Shiba Inu has declared its desire to become a decentralized independent organization in a post dated August 25 on X. Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu, broke the news, creating a Shiba Inu decentralized autonomous organization, a blueprint. Lucy stressed that the mysterious inventor, Ryoshi, has overseen Shiba Inu's meteoric development since its 2020 launch, and the fact that it is now the 13th biggest cryptocurrency by market value is evidence of this. In its early stages, SHIB was intended to test the waters of a community-driven cryptocurrency rather than a specific purpose token. An important turning point came when Ryoshi gave Satoshi Kusama and a group of volunteers control of the project by burning the keys to the supply of tokens. As a result of Kusama's guidance, SHIB has grown from its humble beginnings as an experimental token into a widely used digital asset. Moving forward with a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, model will further empower its members by making decision-making more accessible to everybody. Lucy said that SHIB is gearing up to launch its DAO and establish itself as a major participant in the decentralized governance space. Regardless of the amount of their stake, every holder will be empowered to have a voice in the future of the community via this transformation. Citizens will have more say in choices that affect the ecosystem with the launch of the DAO, which is still in its early stages of implementation but will represent a significant step forward. An important part of SHIB's concept of governance will be the Charity Council and the Culture and Heritage Council. These organizations will be vital in guiding community initiatives and making sure that SHIB stays true to its core principles as it grows. Charitable endeavors will be the primary emphasis of the Charity Council, which will seek to have a positive social impact via the cryptocurrency and its user base, while efforts to maintain the distinctive heritage and culture that characterize the SHIB community will be the responsibility of the Culture and Heritage Council. Also, to make sure it's relevant and useful in the long run, SHIB's marketing head teases the integration into real-world use cases. Maximizing SHIB's growth goes beyond just market success. It's also about practicality and getting your name out there. Lucy puts it this way: SHIB has stood out in the competitive crypto industry, accepted by thousands of retailers globally, since it is a useful asset with real-world uses. Improving the governance structure and increasing the number of real-world applications are two items on Shib's strategic plan for the future. An important step toward increasing Shib's clout in the decentralized financial industry, the creation of a DAO, is imminent. Its impact on governance and practical uses will further intensify as Shib evolves further. As an example of the potential of decentralized projects propelled by enthusiastic communities, consider Shib's meteoric climb from a community experiment to a top cryptocurrency. Rather than being a mere token, Shib is paving the way for decentralized initiatives to revolutionize finance and governance, according to Lucy. The principal creator of the Shiba Inu protocol, Satoshi Kusama, expanded on Lucy's comments by outlining the ecosystem's use of the leash token in additional depth. Members of the leash DAO may vote on conflicts and act as moderators to maintain order and security. According to X, Kusama said that the Shiba sins are protected by unique protocols such as reputation, karma, and others. Notably, Kusama has been hinting at a possible departure from his role as Shiba Inu's prominent figure before the year ends, which would pave the way for the debut of the DAO. Here we go to today's second news article in the video. A tremendous rise of 330% sent Shiba Inu's stock price soaring. There has been a period of consolidation for the popular Japanese cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, during which there has been lower trading volume and minimal volatility. This stage, according to analysts, may be the beginning of a massive price spike, perhaps surpassing 330%. There was a comparable accumulation period in late 2023 and early 2024, just before a huge breakout in late February to early March. The present pattern is quite similar to that. The price of Shib surged by more than 330% in the span of less than 2 weeks. The Wyckoff technique draws attention to the deliberate lowering of prices. Analyst CryptoCheck, who specializes in trading views, highlighted the deliberate price suppression by major investors by applying the Wyckoff method's accumulation phase to Shib's price chart. They may build up holdings in this way without causing the price to fluctuate too much. 2 separate accumulation phases were detected by the investigation. The first one happened between 2023 and 2024, and the second one was a huge Shiba Inu breakout. Similarities exist in the present accumulation period, as major investors are covertly amassing Shib. Breakout strategy and profit-taking goals. The experts at MBM Crypto have pinpointed the Shiba Inu's critical support and resistance areas. The price of Shib has been restrained by a falling trend line since April 2024, which has reliably served as a ceiling for the stock market's price fluctuations. The market's attitude might change from pessimistic to bullish, however, if this trend line is broken. If the price of Shib were to break above the resistance zone of 1775, MBM Crypto's suggested long positions would be a good entry point for traders. After the breakthrough, his research suggests 3 potential price points to cash out: $2,000, $2,250, and $2,500. Upcoming market reversal and price objectives CryptoCheck has established a target price in the 5,000 units region, which would be a significant rise from the current price of Shib, and he thinks that the Shiba Inu breakout is going to happen soon. Traders may encounter selling pressure at 3 price targets indicated by MBM Crypto's research, which correlate to important resistance areas following the breakthrough. When the price of Shib gets close to these levels, traders should be ready to cash out or change their strategy. Traders in Shib would be well to keep a careful eye on the resistance zones and be ready to take action if the price surges significantly. Continuing with today's video, we will now discuss the third news article. The price of Shiba Inu skyrockets when bulls start bidding. Into the Block, an on-chain tool, has shown that whale activity on Shiba Inu, a popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency, has increased. A closer look at the numbers shows that the volume of SHIB major transactions has climbed by 100 billion tokens, and even more revealing, it has hit 1.38 trillion SHIB in the last 24 hours. When we convert all of this information to dollars, we see a rise from $19.95 million to $20.81 million. The average size of these significant transactions was 20 billion SHIB, or $300,000, and there were 69 of them. Large transactions are defined as those with a value of $100,000 or more, according to the technique used by Into the Block. At the moment, we're witnessing something substantial, on average 3 times that value. Is this news something you can get behind? How do you feel about Shiba Inu? Post a comment telling me what you think. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.